What up, dicks? Welcome back to the channel where we do shit Colts way. Just got a quick little video today, just in case anybody else is having this issue or anything like that. I got my EZlynk up on the dash right here, and my EGT sensor temp. I think it's bank one, sensor one. Anyway, that's how I look at my EGT temps. Well, it's been saying this for like a week or two now, 2300, no matter if I gas it or whatever I do. So I know the probe's messed up. So we're gonna try to change that out and see if you can just use any probe and let y'all know what you gotta do. So let's roll. All right, so get up under the hood right here, and it's you can see that probe right there. I'm gonna take that out. Okay, that just came off my exhaust. You're all gonna have them on your exhaust. I think it goes from like the front, like there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 4 probes. It's EGT probe 1, bank 1, probe 2, bank 2, and so on and so on. But I think this is 3 or 4. All you got to do is get a 13 millimeter wrench and break that nut loose. I've already loosened it a while ago with for some reason my phone ain't on. Anyway, I got to go down here now. I got it zip tied here, so I got to cut it. But you just take this out, and we're going to clean that. We're going to clean all that up. But 13 millimeter, break this loose, and then we're just going to put this temp probe in place to where the one is under the hood right now. All right, so I got the one out of my exhaust over there in the corner. I'm going to take that one out real quick, and we'll swap them out. First things first, do a little latte here. Push. Glass bottle today. Can't beat it. Let's see what we got, huh? Pinkies up for the friends. Delicious. All right, I'm gonna get this one out. Like I said, it's just right there. I'm just gonna undo it with my 13 millimeter wrench I got. Where the hell did I put my damn wrench? Anyway, just know I got a 13 millimeter wrench. Here it is. I'm take it out with this. So that's what you need, 13 millimeter. All right, so I got it taken out. I just loosened it. You can see that's quite a bit blacker and charred up suit looking than the one I had. So I'm gonna take this one the rest of the way out, just unplug it right here, and then we'll throw this one in there, hopefully fix it. All right, took my paper towel and cleaned the old one that I had in my exhaust over in the corner, cleaned it off real good, and we're gonna throw it in there. All right, got her in there, got it plugged up. I'll zip tie it here in a minute, but we'll go start the truck and see what she reads. All right, just got the truck cranked up. I'm waiting for the magic box to load up. That way I can show you on the screen. Here we go. Should be coming up here pretty soon. There it is. We can always, while we wait, hydrate. I guess I could have edited this part out, but I'm just trying to, people are gonna be like, oh, how'd you get that on the screen? You got to get a magic box to watch EZlynk on your screen. I got plenty of videos on that. I'll link one up in this corner up here or something like that. If you use my code COLTS, you save 15% on it. But so anyway, all right. So now it's working. So EGT sensor, bank 1, or whatever, bank 1, sensor 1's. I know that's right because it used to be 300 at idle. 3 something at idle. So as I gas it more, but it's not really, because it's not having it to move any load. But if I drive the truck, then you'll be able to see it go up quite a bit faster. But right now, just sitting here idling, ain't gonna do shit. But you can see that it works now. So it's just a quick little video. Just, if somebody who's watching, their EGT temps, and all of a sudden the temps went away, and let me get this, where the temps went away where you can't see it or whatever, just go grab another sensor off your exhaust and put it in there. Just clean it and put it in there, and you'll be good to go. But just a short, quick little video. It ain't for everybody, but if it helps somebody, cool. If not, whatever. I'm just a dumbass. But appreciate the hell of y'all watching. Until next time. Oh, heck no, we finna hit Clyde. I can't just say next time. We need to have a sip of this, and we'll go finish him off in Clyde. Let's roll. All right, well, it's about 3/4 of a latte in Clyde. But anyway, like I said, appreciate the hell of y'all watching, man. Get out of the sun where y'all can see. Appreciate it. Y'all need anything, hit me up in the comments. I'll try to respond. If I don't, oh well. Till next time, tails down, big suck. Wow. Peace.